Get ready for tomorrow's celestial spectacle. On April 8th, 2024, the skies will unveil a breathtaking total solar eclipse, a rare phenomenon that promises to captivate viewers with its cosmic dance. As the moon gracefully moves between the Earth and the Sun, darkness will descend upon the day, turning it into a mesmerizing display of celestial wonder. Here are 6 reasons why this eclipse is not to be missed. It marks the longest total solar eclipse since 1806, promising an extended moment of celestial magic. Happening at the peak of the Sun's activity cycle, this eclipse will showcase the Sun's majestic corona in all its glory. Keep your eyes peeled for a chance to witness a comet during the eclipse, adding an unexpected cosmic twist to the spectacle. Brace yourself for the darkest eclipse in over 2 centuries, as the moon's shadow casts a spellbinding veil over the land. From bustling cities to remote towns, this eclipse will be visible to millions, making it an accessible event for sky gazers everywhere. With an estimated 31 million people residing within the path of totality, this eclipse is poised to be North America's most watched natural event in history. Are you ready to witness history unfold in the sky? Share your excitement and stay tuned for